Put on gloves included in package and find the low beam mounting position on your headlight assembly. Grip the tab on the OEM dust cover and pull it outward to remove it. Find the factory halogen bulb, rotate it counterclockwise, and pull it out. Press the clip with one hand, then pull out the halogen bulb with the other. Align the LED bulb tabs with the headlight socket and push the bulb straight in. Press down and rotate the bulb clockwise until it locks firmly into the socket. The LED chips should naturally sit at the 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock positions, with the power wire pointing straight down at 6 o'clock. No adjustment is needed. Insert the new LED bulb connector into the factory wiring harness. Carefully place the wiring and connectors inside the new dust cover. Make sure the markings and vent holes on the dust cover face downward. Then press the dust cover firmly into the assembly.